there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video. For this spread, I will be using this Jewel Holiday collection from Humble and Create. And this is just a single page because this will be the last page in my photo book. So usually in the photo book, you'll have one page in the back because it will be next to the cover. So this is just a single page to fill in that spot. And I'm just starting here by putting the papers in the background, and then I will add in some elements. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.